If a roundabout has 1 or 2 lanes, leaving is usually straightforward. But when a roundabout has 3 or more lanes, you can sometimes run into the problem of being too far away from your exit. When you want to leave, on roundabouts with 3 or more lanes, you will generally move 1 lane to the left every time you pass an exit. Here you can see a car starts in lane 3 to take exit 3. As it passes exit 1, it will go down to lane 2. As it passes exit 2, it will then go down to lane 1, ready to leave at exit 3.